What's up? Yeah, I'm back, finally, for once. This is my first project video of me after not being sick. Of me after being sick. So, this is the brand new update. Here we go. Mr. Mustard is back on back on the roll. Slaughter me. Yeah, when people find out my YouTube channel, I'm just gonna be a main target. Soon enough, I'm gonna be able to make live streams and yeah. I upload these videos to try and get to the live stream status and make video and make live streams. You know, where you guys can see footage of me. And you guys can see what I do. Because most of the live streams are actual wandering content. But once my phone allows me to do live streams, then I'm gonna do it because I have been bored out of my mind the day I found out about live streams. And yeah. I know. Mr. Lemon. Hop. Let's go, let's go, let's go! That's Mr. Mustard. They should add the meat snake. And here's what I'm talking about. See, once free servers come out, which I hope they release next update, when free private servers release, you can do the thing where you and your friends could do commands. But Rogan, does Forsaken already have that? Yeah, I'm giving Forsaken all the credit for that. Because apparently, people have been being bored of fighting normal rounds. And choosing custom maps to be in is actually quite fun. You know? Make a new group called the Chat and RP Links Pillar Chase 2 group. You chat and release links. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I recommend not that the keck feature or ban, because you know that's actually quite unfair to the people. Like I don't want it so yeah. How about no kick, no kill? Because apparently those are a bit too overpowered. I really want those free private servers. Blade, please release free private servers today. Well, not today because it's literally the middle of the night and it's been 3 minutes in. And I'm already doing this? Damn, man. Anyway, shout out for Flip OP. I'm calling him Flip OP. That's what I'm calling it. And this is my video of getting Shuriken. I'm getting this guy. Listen, I know he's kind of bugged. No, he isn't. He actually had to release They had to cut us out 3 times just to fix him. And they already fixed him. So by the morning, people would wake up with this man out and about. I'm actually surprised people are still up by time. No, I remember, by the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably day or night for you all. It's night for me. Let's talk about something I've been doing. So, a lot of times ago, a couple days ago, well, this week, I threw up in my bed in the kitchen. Now, how did he feel? There's some sweets. Sweets made me sick. And apparently knew I did not. I only liked one certain type, and yeah, you could tell what could have happened. The one certain type I like makes me throw up. All I know is that Teletubby custard is absolutely delicious. Because if we're talking about real custard, like add fruit. Wait, food coloring. Hey guys, spoiler alert, there's Teletubbies in this game. I absolutely love that comment. Finally, as well, because holy moly, the poor Mr. Virtual Chase theme, the old one, got removed, like, entirely. It lasted a couple months before it got quickly removed and replaced with the week-old music. Ugh. I also seen the combined Fawadi banner. They actually didn't forget about that. Sick. I'm shouting out some people. Shout everyone here. Ever since they're all here, I would rather just shout them out right now. Particularly Boars, and I'm only 300 away from getting a Shuriken. I'm probably going to test it in a private server. And by the way, they're slowly upgrading to some Forsaken mechanics. Like, you only need 2 people to begin a match now? Duh. Well, that's free. But I thought they removed my world for some reason. I'm dealing against another Tinky Winky. Soon the server is going to be filled with Tinkies because of holy moly. Don't get me started. Who remembers the old Chase theme? Like, now it's yours to take and repeat now. Oh, it's just another battle for a god symbol of wealth and more than a tell of this world in my map. Well, alright, let's go ask some fun questions. What kid show food would you rely on for the rest of your life? First, Tubby custard. Tubby custard ain't bad. Well, it's just little damn custard. For example, you know. No, the good Tubby custard is quite nice. Next up from Teletubbies, these are the Tubby Toast. Tubby Toast is quite good. It's just toast, shaped like a smiley face. Nothing bad about it. And oh my god, don't get me started on what I'm about to now we're bringing up SMO. No, Applebee's, because that's the actual thing. Where have I been walking? Yeah, I've been silent most of the video. Bro, I got confused of the revamped map that they added. Oh, muffin time. Bro, they should add the ASDF guy, or add Jeffy at least. Because when they release Jeffy, they're at least gonna flashbang. You know what that means, guys. Flashbang. We're about to flashbang this man. The killer. And turn him into Eyeless Jack if he wasn't a murderer. Just eyeless. I have no idea who Eyeless Jack is. Like, I heard him once, and then everyone just starts going crazy about him. Is he popular? Because he's just... Because he's not even... Yeah, he did see me. Your attempts at a for in vain, oh muffin. Held in my purgatory. Oh muffin. Oh garbage. It should have been Homer's. So something has changed. Yeah, Blade, testing is just straight on open. Yes, I'm dressed up as Shuriken. Second I do that, this guy called Sighty Chill. Bro, change your name to Sight Chili. Not Sight Chill. Duh, bruh. This guy took my chance to be a monster. But he's a new person, so. And no, I am not being this fog born again. Mimic. And don't get me straight onto the chase, I believe. I feel like I'm being followed because the second I join, many people just randomly join. Am I not checking it? Yeah, this server is perfection. It's just my fault, I guess. He's alive anyway. I'm dealing with him. Oh my god, this is about to be the most annoying match ever. Because the little human attempts to death are in vain. Held in my purgatory. You see a bright light shining with a dimensional fate. And whatever.
Hey guys, it's Taste. Welcome back to Slimy Tubby Zero. Now I've been reading the comments and a few of you are saying there's a secret to be found in arcade mode if I turn all the characters off. Supposedly it involves going to the house, so you know I want to try and see what this secret is. So let's go to arcade mode. Here it is here. Now they say the time of day and custom count won't matter, but let's try dusk so it's not so bright. Burn my retinas out, custard count. Let's just put this down to 1. Now this is the important stuff. Okay, disable, disable, and disable. There we go. Now let's start. What could this secret be?